What has been your experience with ASFX so far?
I just started with them this year, so prior to that, I really didn't have any form of like consistency or any kind of really like proven system like that I know for years is proven and I can rely on, honestly. So being that I never really had something proven, that was like a big game changer in terms of confidence and actually, you know, knowing what to look for when I'm at the desk consistently than kind of just being all over the place.
Incredible support, incredible education. I've learned so much from everyone involved in the Discord group, from the courses themselves, and learning just from everyone's trading styles to improve my own trading.
All positive, actually. I kind of fell into it. Google search, found him, kind of had the same past, I suppose, with some of it, binary options and that kind of thing.
I've definitely learned a system for entering and exiting trades, which I think is the hardest thing as a new trader, of finding like a specific set of rules to follow.
It's pretty nice. Like, it helped me like build my confidence more.
It's been one of the greatest things in my life. It's let me, quit my job and work from home. I've been able to get to know myself better in the way that I analyze charts and the way I'm able to be more disciplined with my trades.
It's been really well. It's super professional how the whole business is ran. Austin's super great for like contacting them and always being in communication. It's been really good so far.